Hello students, welcome to commerce class. In this video we are going to discuss from 5th chapter Hindu undivided family and partnership. The topic going to discuss is meaning and definition of partnership. Meaning of partnership. Sole trading business suffers from several drawbacks such as limited capital, limited managerial ability, risk of loss, and less chances for expansion and growth etc. பொதுவாக ஒருத்தர் செய்கிற பிஸ்னஸில் நிறைய குறைபாடுகள் இருக்கும். Then partnership comes into existence. The persons who enter into partnership are individually called partners and collectively known as firm. A partnership is an arrangement between two or more persons to oversee or take care business operations and share its profit or loss. Definition of partnership. According to Professor Henny, the relations which exist between persons competent to make contracts who agree to carry on a lawful business in common with a view to private gain. Let us see the definition briefly. The relations means not blood relationship. It is purely a contractual relationship. Simply, partnership is created by an agreement. That agreement may be oral or in a writing. இங்கே ரிலேஷன்ஸ் உடைய அர்த்தம் கான்ட்ராக்சுவல் ரிலேஷன்ஷிப், அக்ரிமெண்ட்டும் சொல்லலாம். அந்த அக்ரிமெண்ட் எழுத்துப்பூர்வமாக அல்லது வாய்மொழியாக கண்டிப்பாக இருக்கணும். which exist between persons because of plurality of person. Plurality means more than one person. In partnership, minimum number of members is 2. Maximum number of members is 10 in the case of banking business and 20 in the case of other business. Competent to make contracts. Competent means eligible, தகுதியானவன். He should not be a minor. He should not be a lunatic. கண்டிப்பாக பைத்தியம் இருக்கக்கூடாது. He should not be insolvency. Insolvency means inability to pay debt. சொத்து விட கடன் அதிகம். And the last point is who agree to carry on a lawful business common with a view to private gain. Lawful business means legally accepted business. Smuggling not come under a legal business. Private gain means profit intention. That's it from today's class. I hope you may not have any doubts. Thank you for watching my video.